Configuring Monday.com Timeline View is a straightforward process that allows you to visualize and manage your tasks and projects in a calendar-based format. To start, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to configure. First, click on the View menu at the top right corner of the board and select Timeline View. This will display your board in a calendar-based format, with each item represented as a bar on the timeline. To customize the timeline view, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the View Settings panel, where you can adjust various settings to suit your needs. For example, you can choose the date range to display, select which columns to include, and decide whether to show dependencies between items. One of the key concepts in configuring Monday.com Timeline View is understanding the different types of columns you can include. There are several column types to choose from, including date, text, and numeric columns. Date columns are particularly useful in Timeline View, as they allow you to set start and end dates for each item. To add a date column, click on the Add Column button and select Date. You can then choose whether to display the start date, end date, or both. You can also set the date format and decide whether to include time. Once you have added the necessary columns, you can customize the appearance of the timeline view by adjusting the colors and layout. For example, you can choose to display items as bars, circles, or lines, and select different colors to represent different types of items. To make the most of Monday.com Timeline View, it is essential to establish clear dependencies between items. This allows you to visualize the relationships between tasks and projects, and to identify potential bottlenecks and delays. To set dependencies, click on the dependency icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can then select the items you want to link, and choose the type of dependency, such as predecessor or successor. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure Monday.com Timeline View to meet your specific needs and workflow. This will enable you to gain a clearer understanding of your tasks and projects, and to make more informed decisions about resource allocation and project management.